Leader of the opposition, Allen Chastanet, is in high spirits following a Privy Council ruling stating that the laws of England should be applied rather than the laws of St. Lucia in cases involving contracts and torts. The matter is related to a defamation lawsuit brought before the High Court over statements made by Chastanet in 2015 about Saudi billionaire Walid Jufali and allegations of corruption against Hilaire while he served as St. Lucia's High Commissioner to the UK.
In my statements, I said that given those facts, we would have to question Hilaire's integrity. Those remarks were made in 2015. And then in 2017, Hilaire decided to take me to court on defamation.
The ruling was challenged before the Eastern Caribbean Court of Appeal, and then once more, this time before the Privy Council. On Tuesday afternoon, the Privy Council's ruling was announced, and Chastanet quickly took to a local talk show to voice his relief.
We appealed the case, and the case went to the OECS Appeals Court, and the Appeals Court overruled the decision of the High Court and ruled that our interpretation of the law was correct. And Hilaire then decided to appeal that position, that decision, and went to the Privy Council. And we've now won the Privy Council case. So it means both a Caribbean Court of Judges, the Appeals Court of the OECS, as well as the Privy Council, have agreed with our application of the law. And I think it's the right decision.
The official Privy Council conclusion reads, quote, "The board will humbly advise His Majesty that the appeal should be dismissed." End quote. News Force made attempts to contact the deputy leader of the St. Lucia Labour Party, Dr. Ernest Hilaire, for comment, but was unsuccessful. However, a missive from Dr. Hilaire was published. In it, he bemoans the Privy Council's ruling, stating, quote, "I strongly think it is an unfortunate decision for our country, and it undermines the legal jurisprudence of St. Lucia, and indeed exposes lawyers in St. Lucia to professional negligence lawsuits for advising their clients on what they thought was the proper law of the land." End quote. It should be noted that the Privy Council's decision is final. Crucially, the substantive matter of whether the opposition leader Allen Chastanet defamed Dr. Ernest Hilaire has not been argued and decided upon by the courts. What was decided by the Privy Council is what laws will govern that trial. Hilaire closed off his press release by stating, quote, "As it relates to my case against Allen Chastanet, I will be consulting my lawyers on the next steps in the hearing." End quote.